Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of Understanding Elementary Shapes. This is seventh question of its exercise 5.2. So the question says that where will the hour hand of a clock stop if it starts A from 6 and turn through one right angle. So clock में complete 360 means 4 right angles होते हैं. So one right angle from 6 तो ये हो जाएगा 6 plus one right angle means 1/4 of 12. So हो जाएगा 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So stop at 9. It will stop at 9. B. 8 and turns 2 right angles. So 2 right angles and complete revolution में 4 right angles and total 12 subparts. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास 8 plus 6 हो जाएगा 14. So 12 में हमारा एक revolutions complete हो जाएगा. So हो जाएगा 14 minus 12 is equal to 2. So it will stop at 2. See, from 10 and turns 3 right angles. So 3 right angles and total 4 into 12. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. So 12 से पार्ट में 1 revolution complete हो जाएगा. So minus 12 is equal to 7. So it will stop at 7. Part D is from 7 and turn through 2 straight angles. 2 straight angles means 4 right angles. There are 4/4 into 12. There are 7 plus 12. So 12 में हमारा एक revolution complete हो जाता है. So यहाँ पे आएगा हमारा 7. It will stop at 7 after a complete revolution. So that's our final answer. Thank you.